somewhere in a distant land so many miles away. Only Uncle Sam's great hero gets to go there, where I wish that I could also live someday. I'd see Lincoln, Custer, Washington, and Perry, and Nathan had old Kelly too. Her star-spangled banner waving somewhere, waving o'er a land of heroes, brave and true. In this war with its vast schemes of destruction of our country fair and our sweet liberty, by the mad dictators, leaders of corruption, can't the U.S. use a mountain boy like me? God gave me the right to be a free American, and for that precious right I gladly die. There's a star-spangled banner waving somewhere. That is where I want to live when I die. Please don't judge my courage by my twisted leg. Let me show my Uncle Sam what I can do, sir. Let me help to bring the axes down a peg. If I could do some great deed, I will be a hero brave, what I want to be. There's a star-spangled banner waving somewhere. In that heaven there should be a place for me. There's a star-spangled banner waving somewhere. In that heaven there should be a place for me. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Grace that taught my heart to give day.